Hello, this is Dr. Kritzer back with you for Unit 2, Part 1. And what I want to do is show you a website called census.gov. And this is the website that you see right now in front of you. Uh, and we talked a lot about demographics in the previous unit. And another way to assess the area that you live for your business or for your organization is to take a look at some important census data. And I'm going to show you how to access some of that right now. If you take a look at this website uh, and scroll down, and there is something here called American Fact Finder. Click on that. And we're going to do the advanced search. And I'm going to look at two things. First thing I want to do is I want to take a look at level of education. So I look under people here, and I see education, and I see educational attainment. And then I want to go to and compare a couple of areas. So I click on geographies, and I scroll down. And I'm going to use zip codes for my search, 5-digit zip codes. And so what I'm going to do is use these zip codes, and I'm going to select a state, and I'm going to go back to a state I'm familiar with, California. And I'm going to select a couple of zip codes. I'm going to select 90002, which is an area in the inner city of Los Angeles where people are living generally at the poverty level and below. And I'm going to put that as one of my selections. And I'm going to compare it to a much more affluent area. I'm going to compare it to the zip code 90210 by scrolling down and finding 90210. Those of you who remember the television series, this is Beverly Hills. And I'm going to add that to my selection. And let's see what happens when we compare the educational attainment of those two areas. Well, here's the zip code 90002, an impoverished area, and here's a rather wealthy area, 90210. And as you notice here, in this category here, only 3% of the total have a bachelor's degree in the area 90002. But if you take a look here, we have 30% of the people in 902 with a bachelor's degree. So we can get important information out of this census data. Let's do another one. Let's do another advanced search, start a new search, and let's take a look at something that's really germane to people nowadays. Let's take a look at their health insurance coverage. With all of the talk about Obamacare, let's take a look at what's happening with health insurance coverage. And what I want to do is go back and look at the same two areas. So I go to geographic area. Again, I scroll down to a 5-digit zip code. I'm going to go back to California. I'm going to pick those two diverse areas like I picked last time, scrolling down to 90210. There. And now I'm going to select health insurance coverage status. All of these are surveys that are done. Now, look at the percent of people uninsured. The percent uninsured in the impoverished area, the percent uninsured, 29.7%. But in Beverly Hills, the percent uninsured, 4.9%. Obviously, health insurance coverage is affected by geographic area. So what I have done is shown you a couple of ways to make inquiries on this website. I'm Dr. Kritzer, and I will be back with you again for Unit 2, Part 2.